The new 992 series Porsche 911 Turbo follows the launch of the Turbo S. What's the difference? Well, it's not quite as powerful, and it doesn't come with the same level of hardcore components, such as standard carbon ceramic brakes. However, you can option for most of the extras if you want to. Power comes from a similar 3.8 litre twin-turbo flat-six engine, producing 427 kilowatts, down from 478 in the S. Inside, it is very similar to the Turbo S. Porsche's latest 10.9-inch touchscreen media interface comes as standard, along with two 7-inch TFT displays for the instrument cluster. As per tradition, a large rev counter sits in the middle. It's a proper mechanical dial too, which we love. Seating comfort is good in the front, with a superb driving position. Rear passengers won't find much room in the back. It's very tight, and probably only suitable for kids. However, it can be used as a handy storage area. Speaking of which, popping the bonnet reveals a 128 litre boot. There's also some storage behind the rear seats if you need it. We had a chance to sample the new model out at the Bend Motorsport Park racing circuit. You really need a track like this to experience the car's true potential. With all-wheel drive grip, monster torque available from pretty much any rev range, and a beautifully balanced platform, this car is so easy to drive really quickly on the track. It just eats up the corners. Even if you don't know or follow the perfect racing line, the car offers a broad tolerance. If you manage to explore the outer limits, be prepared to have your internal organs rearranged. The G-forces, both lateral and longitudinal, are immense. As this was recorded during the official media launch event, we weren't able to put together our usual video format for you, but here's a taste of how it goes on the track. We also managed to sneak in a 0 to 100 and 0 to 200 test using the V-Box. This is what it goes like.
Okay, so on the front straight again, we'll do a little stop around here, try and go a bit of a quick down the straight this time. Numbers if you've got access to the radio, otherwise I'll wait till you get back in.